you have just seen is just something that's going to happen again this year. I mean, this year is going to be again fantastic. As we say that we are Asia's biggest Navratri bash, yes, it is going to be much bigger than the previous ones. You have seen Simran Ahuja and the rest who have just done the performance. It was very magical, very interesting, and very thought-provoking. You see, Country Club, when we started this, Navratri was not even existing in Hyderabad. But we made sure that we started this in a very big manner. And today, Pan India, it is packed with people, more than 2 lakh people. Attending this show. Shoulders. One of the biggest hits.
Thank you.
Dandiya Nights 2K24, and I'm truly overwhelmed because now Garba is a part of UNESCO, and this is such a huge honor. When Mr. Rajiv Reddy unveiled the book 990 Navratri, which was that why Garba should be celebrated across the world. It is the dance of the universe. So when you unveiled the book, we had no idea. Where we were invited by BBC London for an interview regards the book, which was penned down by me. But sir, all thanks to you, because of your encouragement, we ourselves spread the world, and with Garba and Dandiya, right from going to Paris to performing at New York Times Square to Los Angeles to Norway to Switzerland and to several other countries. I really want to thank you because you gave me that pump that go ahead and spread Garba to the world. So it's a huge honor, and everybody, Pan India, we're having this beautiful celebration. Nowadays we don't get time to spend with our loved ones. Why should we do Dandiya and Garba, and why is it known as such a popular dance form? So I really want to mention this. This is a dance form where age is no bar. You can even be 82 years and still dance, and weight is no bar. So even if you weigh around 150 pounds, how you can be a part of it, all you have to do is just carry a smile, because we're dancing with our loved ones. We're dancing with our family, with our loved ones, and if you don't know the other person, all you do is smile and enjoy the music. The rhythm itself is such a beautiful rhythm, and most important, it is the dance of the goddesses, by the grace of the goddesses. Jai Ma Ambe, hello, what a beautiful feeling. So please do join us, Pan India, at the Dandiya Utsav 2K24. It's the biggest Navratri ever, because now Garba is also part of the UNESCO's cultural intangible celebration. So this is a huge honor, and a humble thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for truly taking Garba to the world just the way yoga is traveled the world. So I'm so excited and thrilled, and thank you very much, Country Club. Thank you, Rajesh.
I'm Sandeep Kumar. We are from Relevant Events. We are very happy to associate with the Country Club, such a biggest brand in the India. So we are happy to announce that 2024 Navaratri 2024 this year, the largest and biggest event ever happened in Hyderabad, is going to be happening in Begumpet Police Hockey Stadium. So from 3rd October to 12th October, we are planning for such like 10 days of complete season, Navaratri season, and the highlights of the show is like we are bringing the most famous Raja Beats band from Maharashtra, and we are attending 2 Gujarati singers who performs like across like all the 10 days, and also the top 10 DJs from Hyderabad, they are coming up for our show, and they are going to perform for complete 10 days. So in the 10 days, Prati DJ kuda manaki every day like they are going to spend for 1 hour, and the other 3 hours it's going to be live performance, Garba as well as Dandiya performance. So we are inviting all the people from all the corners in Hyderabad, Gujarati Samaj and Lohana Samaj, all the Bengalis who are living in Hyderabad. We are inviting them to be a part of our the largest and biggest event ever happened in Hyderabad.
So, thank you.